Hey guys, Chopper's Real One here. Well, I've started rebuilding my wall. It's taken a while. Um, there's a couple of little Opel Cadets. We call them Holland Geminis here in Australia. But in the blue containers here, there's 180 cars in there. There's some really, really cool old jalopies. There's one of those Holland Geminis in two colours, or Opel Cadets. There's my original panel van, Harley Davidson panel van. The guy that bought it actually brought it back to me because I said I'd missed it so much, and he was quite happy to bring it back to me. So that's pretty cool, guys. But there you go, 180 cars in there. Then I got a pile of really cool cars here. They're not in any great order at the moment, guys. I've run out of space already, and I've still got another massive box to go through because I've been hoarding all the good stuff. And this is just one little tiny box that I opened today to get organised and see what I could do. These are all special ones that I really like, you know, Back to the Future. That's pretty cool. Biff's car. Old Forrest Gump. Thundercats and a Mini. These are all specialty ones. I got these up from Cairns when I went up there on the weekend, and they're pretty cool. Then we got other ones that just, yeah, as I said, just ones that I've taken out of the box. I've got to get it set up better, guys. I really do, because this is it's just not right like this. I've got cars stacking on top of cars again, and as you can see, I've got, you know, cars getting screwed onto the face of this stuff again, and it's not good enough. I can do better. I've got cars back over here again. You know, got my mud runners up, the mud trucks there. Then on here, I've got more cars that I've added to the system. So I've started stacking cars on top of cars again, and I need to do better. You know, I really do. I really need to do way better than this. So, but we'll get around there, guys. There's my sister's car there. I just put that up there so I wouldn't lose it. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's the box there that it come out of. I got that full. I've still got a couple of blue boxes over there I've got to fill up. And these are all doubles of what I got out of the box loose. So that's pretty cool. Got some more Matchbox ones. So there we go, guys. It's starting to fill up again, and I really need to do something better. Alright guys, that's it from me. I know it's been a long time before a video, but it's all good. I'm getting there. We've been busy at work and having Easter, so happy Easter out there, guys. So yeah, have a good night, have a good Easter. Like, comment, subscribe, and be good to your mates. Bye for now.